Fannie Mae released some super exciting news. So a lot of you may have heard in the past that you can do 5% down with an FHA loan on small unit multifamily, 2 to 4 units. But Fannie Mae actually just released that as of November 18th, which we are stinking in November, which is crazy, that this month you will be able to do 5% down on 2 to 4 unit multifamily primary residence. So that's a significant change from what it previously was, which was at least 15 to 20% down in order to buy these properties, even as a primary residence. So the difference between this Fannie Mae product and the FHA, which is backed by HUD, which is the Department of Housing and Urban Development, there's a couple of different things between both products. So the FHA one, it's a slightly more comprehensive, detailed loan to get versus the other product by Fannie, which is more so like a conventional, normal, typical conventional loan and is a little bit easier to get. So if you have better credit, this is definitely a better product to get, and this is why. It's going to have higher loan limits, so you can purchase higher or more expensive properties with it. And along with that, this is probably the most important thing with it, is that with the FHA loan, you cannot get rid of the PMI, which is private mortgage insurance. So what that is basically if you don't put 20% down on a property, you're gonna have PMI is what it's referred to. So with the FHA, you can't get rid of that with that loan product. On the Fannie product, you can. So say you buy a property that's a triplex and you put some work into it and you had originally 5% down on it. You're still gonna have PMI. It's going to be less than what you'd be paying for PMI on the FHA loan versus this other one. And say you put work into it, you improve the property and you have it reassessed, a new appraisal done on it, and the value shot up significantly. That will allow you to, if you hit that 20% mark, actually get rid of that PMI. So it's gonna help you actually cash flow more on that property. So a fantastic product. If you are renting right now, this is a great opportunity for you to buy multifamily, not really have any living costs because you can rent out the other units and help pay for your living expenses. And then after a year, you can move out, go do it again, buy another property of another primary residence. Then you have a cash flowing asset that you can build a portfolio upon. So great news, guys. If you are looking or interested in something like this, if you're looking to get into the multifamily game and are okay with living in it as a primary residence, 5% down, Fannie Mae just rolled it out. So hit me up if you have any questions. Other than that, Tatum Parade checking out. I'll see you on the next one.